Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. And it's down to 4. The Season 10 Magnum King and Queen of Dancehall will be crowned on Saturday night at the Police Officers Club. The fiery female contestants Rankin Punkin and Suspense, along with the Princes Simatic and Vanzo, will go head-to-head in what is anticipated to be a most thrilling event.
Well, me I kill him friendly, you know. You don't know me I kill him friendly thing here. Friendly. Yeah, nothing wrong with that.
Well, you know, it's a lyrical battle and any man can talk when they want to talk about killings. You know, it's the action we bring, Ochi we come from St. Mary.
A long time I'm in a business, so enough people respect me and enough people love me, so people say Magnum Star, Rankin Pumpy, your Magnum Star, and thing. Yeah.
She not have no little melody, no little nothing for wow the people them. Persons that were here before that should have been here, or should have given me a war for my money.
The finale will feature performances from Spice, Tommy Lee, Shensia and Ding Dong. Tune in for the live broadcast at 9:30 p.m. on TVJ this Saturday. Also this weekend, the Entertainment Division of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport will be hosting a series of events under the title Arts in the Park. The 3-day event will be focusing on all things visual arts, beginning today at the National Gallery with a cocktail reception and viewing of the Jamaica Biennial. It continues on Saturday with a Day of Artist workshops and wraps up on Sunday with a visual arts showcase at Devon House. The workshops and showcase are open to the public and the ministry invites all to come and enjoy our local talent. Now for movie lovers, Star Wars the franchise is celebrating 40 years. The first movie hit theaters on May 25, 1977, and today is one of Hollywood's most loved and successful franchises ever.
I only know one truth.
Quick fact, director George Lucas in an online interview said he was so sure the film would flop that instead of attending the premiere, he went on vacation to Hawaii with his good friend Steven Spielberg. Now that trip turned out to be fruitful because they came up with the idea for Raiders of the Lost Ark, which turned out to be the first installation of the Indiana Jones franchise. He added that the initial budget for Star Wars was so limited that the cast and crew flew coach to England during pre-production. Also of interest is the fact that Harrison Ford almost missed out on playing Princess Leia's love interest, Han Solo, because he had starred in another Lucas film, American Graffiti, and was disqualified from auditioning. But after reading the lines to help the other actors who were auditioning, Lucas realized he had his Han. Teaches you anything can happen, yes? Star Wars The Last Jedi arrives in your galaxy on December 15. And that's it for E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Enjoy your weekend.